Yes. Now, beta, we were there on exercise 2.1, question number 8 of exponents and powers. Now, our ninth question says, if minus 5 by 7 to the power minus 4 into minus 5 by 7 to the power 12 is equal to bracket, inside the bracket, minus 5 by 7 to the power 3 whole bracket x into minus 5 by 7 to the power minus 1. So you need to find x. Beta, see, what we have to do is,
Value 9.
yes, first of all, we will uh, follow the law of exponents on both the sides. Yes. So as we are
Even
getting
9.
yes, equal side, so that means our bases are same, so that means power should also be same. Okay, when the bases are same and they are being multiplied, so which law is being followed? It is addition law. Okay, we need to add on the exponents. हम उस sorry powers को add कर देंगे, not exponents. It will be the powers which are to be added up. Okay, so just tell me what will be the value of x. See, minus 5 by 7 to the power minus 4 plus 12 is equal to minus 7 by, sorry, minus 5 by 7 to the power 3 into x minus 1. Yes?
Ma'am, 3 I.
Yes. So it is minus 4 plus 12 is equal to 3x minus 1. So 8 is equal to 3x minus 1. So 3x becomes equal to 9 and x is coming out to be 3. Yes? Is it clear? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
question number 10. What the question is saying, by what number should 3 by minus 2 to the power minus 3 be divided to get 2 by 3 to the power 2? Dekho beta, we don't know the number, so we will assume our number to be x. So what I have written, 3 to the power minus 2 to the power minus 3 is divided by x and I am getting 2 by 3 to the power 2. हमने पहले क्वेश्चन को इक्वेशन फॉर्म में बदल लिया. अब now what I'll do, I will change this minus power into positive. So I'll reciprocate the number, minus 2 by 3 to the power 3 into this division sign is being converted into multiplication sign. So it becomes 1 by x is equal to 2 by 3 to the power 2. Yes? Clear beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Now 1 by x will be equal to 2 by 3 to the power 2 divided by minus 2 to the power 3 to the power minus 2 by 3 to the power 3. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now again when you have to convert this sign, division sign into multiplication, so you will, what you will do, you will reciprocate the fraction. Now minus 1 I have taken it outside, so it becomes 2 by 3. So now the bases are same and they are in division, so powers will get subtracted. So 2 to the power 2 minus 3 into 3 into
Ma'am, 3
3 to
upon
the,
minus 2.
yes, तो 3 upon minus 2 1 by x आ रहा है बेटा, इसमें ध्यान करो. So you have to reciprocate the thing. So it will be minus
Next
2
2.
by,
Minus 2 upon 3.
yes, minus 2 by 3. Very good. Okay, now we will move on to the next question. Next is beta, find x if minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 13, ठीक है, multiply by 3 by minus 2 to the power 8 is equal to minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 2x plus 1. यस बेटा. अब देखो, अब इसमें एक छोटी सी आपको ध्यान रखना है, अगर आप इनका बेस कंपेयर करो, अगर आप इन तीनों टर्म्स का अगर हम बेस कंपेयर करें तो सिर्फ इसका बेस ऐसा है, अगर हम इसको रेसिप्रोकेट कर दें तो तीनों हमारी टर्म्स का जो बेस है वो सेम आ जाएगा. राइट? तो आपको जब इसको रेसिप्रोकेट करना है तो इसका क्या मतलब बनेगा कि पावर जो है वो नेगेटिव में आ जाएगी. सो व्हेन minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 13 gets multiplied by minus 2 by 3 to the power minus 8, so powers will get added up. Okay, so that means if the bases are same, so that means powers are also same. So
Power the
yes, minus 21 will be equal to minus 2x plus 1. Now you have to solve this question as per the linear equation. Okay beta, so it will become minus 21 is equal to minus 2x plus 1. This 1 will go here, it will become minus So I'm
7 आ
getting,
जाएगा.
yes, minus 22 is equal to minus 2x. So x comes out to be 11. Yes, clear beta? Yes, beta. So with this we finish
Yes.
off our first exercise 2.1. Now we will do examples related to 2.2. And in this you have to present the numbers as per their standard form. And in standard form, parts of 10 are to be taken. See, now see the number and look, she has come. The number is 0.000000564. Okay, beta. Now this decimal, it needs to be, hello Rashi beta,
Hello, ma'am.
this number ओहो मनन ये आपको नहीं है मैसेज ओके
Okay, ma'am.
my voice is breaking.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay beta, see now you have to displace this point to a place which is after the first digit. Just keep this thing in mind. Whenever you have to appoint that decimal, that will be after the first digit. Okay, now see how many places you have moved. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay beta, so it will become minus 7. Okay beta ji, so my number
Yes, ma'am.
became, yes Rashi, got it beta. So the number became 5.64 into 10 to the power minus 7. Yes, now we will do another question. See, in the next question, it is 0.0000121. Now see, how many places I have to move my decimal? I have to move my decimal over here. Okay, beta. So how many places will I jump? I'll jump 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, 5, 6. Now as I am moving towards right hand side, okay, I am moving towards right hand side, therefore it is minus 6. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Yes, तो मेरा आंसर क्या आया बेटा? 2.1 into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay बेटा, now next is 216,000,001. Now beta, in this, see, I have to place my decimal. There is no point, but I'll start from the last and I have to bring the decimal after 2. Yes, I said na there should be only
Ma'am,
one digit.
2.23 into 10 to the power 7.
So I have to jump so many places. So I'll just count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the answer becomes 2.16 into 10 to the power 7. Yes.
7.
Now do the next question and tell me the answer. It's 15240000. The answer will be,
Ma'am,
yes beta.
1.524
Yes, 1.5.
into
Yes.
ma'am 10 raised to power.
Okay, it's 1.524 into 10 to the power 7 because I need to move 7 places for my decimal. Yes? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye. Now move on to the next. Now you have to express the following numbers in the usual form. Now the reverse. Now you're given the standard form. अब आपको number में लेके आना है. Okay बेटा? Now you have to take it in the normal number type. अब देखो बेटा. What is this? See, the question is 3.52 into 10 to the
Ma'am.
power 5. Now I have to move this decimal 5 places. Okay beta, what will I do? मैंने यहाँ पे
Ma'am.
लिख दिया. हाँ जी.
मैं एक बार रिपीट कर दो मैम, मैं आपका नेक्स्ट
Sure.
क्वेश्चन मैम लूज हो गया था.
Sure बेटा, I will repeat. It is saying आपको एक स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में नंबर दिया है, आपको उसको यूजुअल फॉर्म में लेके आना है. ठीक है बेटा, आपको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में गिवन है, मतलब 10 की पावर में आपको गिवन है, जैसे कि 3.52 into 10 to the power 5. यस बेटा। अब फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इसका सबसे इजी तरीका क्या होता है कि हम इसको एक्सपैंड कर लेंगे। इसको एक्सपैंड करने का क्या मतलब है कि 1 के पीछे आई राइट 5 zeros। यस बेटा। नाउ हेयर आई हैव 2 पॉइंट, so this will cut off the last 2 zeros। yes
Yes, ma'am.
okay, so I am left with the number 352000। yes, is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now again see the next question। 7.54 into 10 to the power -4। अब आपने जब भी माइनस में है यू हैव टू मूव टुवर्ड्स द लेफ्ट साइड, ये बात याद रखना। ठीक है बेटा, जब आपको माइनस को आपने नंबर में एक्सप्रेस करना है। ठीक है, अब देखो मैंने इसको क्या किया, इसमें मैंने बहुत इजी तरीका अपनाया है। व्हाट आई हैव फॉलोड, मैंने इस पावर को पहले पॉजिटिव में बदल लिया। ठीक है बेटा, ये आ गया 7.54 divided by 10 to the power 4। now I have expanded this। okay, clear beta?
Yes, ma'am.
then what I did, अब ये जब decimal हटेगा, this decimal when it will be stuck off, I'll get 2 zeros over here। yes,
Yes,
तो यहाँ पे कितने zeros हैं? 1, ये 6 हो गए, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6। 0 0 and 0। ठीक है, यही यहाँ पे मिला नंबर। यस बेटा, चलो
Yes.
अब मनन आप डू मी दिस क्वेश्चन। 3 into 10 to the power -5। yes beta, Rashi, if you are able to hear me, kindly do this question। 3 into 10 to the power -5। So minus,
0.0003.
yes, so I will make this minus power into a positive power, so that means it will go down the denominator and I'll expand. After that I can put the decimal very easily। yes,
Yes, ma'am.
चलो next beta। now we are going to start exercise 2.2। अब हम exercise 2.2 start कर लेते हैं। now you have to express the following numbers in the standard form। okay, now the numbers are to be written down in the standard form and the number given is 0.00000000 and 0.85। so as you know what I have to do, I have to move this decimal after 8। okay, so just count ki how many places you have to jump। okay, so we are jumping 12 places, so I'll write, kyunki the decimal is moving and the numbers are written after the decimal, so the power will be in the negative, so it will be 8.5 into 10 to the power -12। next beta, 0.000000000942। yes, again you are seeing ki which pathway is to be followed. It is like decimal has to be taken to after 9, so decimal is jumping to 13 places, that is why it is having power of -13। Rashi, I hope it is clear. You can give me a message regarding that if you are getting or if you are having a problem। yes beta, okay,
Ma'am, I'm typing.
okay, done। चले बेटा, the number is 6020000000000। so it is अब हमें देखो डेसिमल जो है what we have to do, we'll take from here and it will move after 6. So count the number of places it is moving. It is moving 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So it will become 6.02 into 10 to the power 50. Yes beta, I hope it is
Yes,
clear.
ma'am.
Now the number is 0.00000000837. Now see, what you have to do, how many places will this decimal move? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So the number becomes 8.37 into 10 to the power minus 9. Yes?
Ma'am, please wait. I am writing.
Okay. Now, next है आपको you have to express the following numbers in the usual form. आपको usual form में इसको represent करना है. 3.02 into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, ये आपका number है. Yes, beta. Now in this, what will be happening is कि we will convert this negative power into positive. So that means it will go down the denominator. Along with this 6 zeros, you will get an add-on 2 zeros more because there is decimal. Okay. So the number will become 0.00000302. Yes, Rashi, is it clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Now, beta. Next is 1.0007 into 10 to the power 11. Okay, beta.
Ma'am, what
Now
is the
see,
solution?
I have removed this decimal, and after removing the decimal, I got 1007 divided by 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power 11. Now, as you can all see, देखिए आप यहाँ पे देख पा रहे हैं, the bases are the same. So, and they are in the division state. So, the obviously powers will get minus. So, I got 1007 into 10 to the power 8. So, I'll apply 8 zeros over here. So, it will be 4
Ma'am,
and 4. So, they become 0. The number becomes 100700000000. Yes, is it clear? So, you can do
yes,
this
ma'am.
question by following the simple laws of exponents. Next, 5.375 into 10 to the power 14. Again, apply the same rule. You will just remove this decimal and you will be getting 10 to the power 3. So now 10 is there, 10 is there. So the powers will get subtracted. So I got 5375 into 10 to the power 11. So when I place these 11 zeros, I got this number as my answer. Clear, beta? Manan, is it clear?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now the next. 7.579 into 10 to the power minus 14. So can you do this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Again, I have done the same thing. I have removed the decimal and I got 10 to the power 3 as my denominator. Now the bases are same and they are in the division state. So the powers will get subtracted. So I got minus 14 minus 3. That means minus 17. Okay, beta. So I have to put this is my answer. Yes. Okay, beta. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So it will be like your number जो है वो पूरा add on होता है, उसको भी आपको include करना पड़ेगा. Okay, now express the following numbers in the usual form. अब आपको इसको usual form में represent करना है. 3 एक सेकेंड बचा 3.02 into 10 to the power minus 6. So again I have done, मैंने इस पावर को नेगेटिव पावर को पॉजिटिव में कन्वर्ट किया, so it got shifted to the denominator. Now I'll get add on these two zeros leading to the denominator raised to 10 to the power 8. Okay, now I will see up my decimal after counting the 8 places. Okay, see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now my decimal. Okay, is that clear? Yes. Next part. 1.007 into 10 to the power 11. Again, I am doing the thing. I have removed the decimal, so I got 10 to the power 3. Okay. Now the law of division आपका आ जाता है, so I am subtracting the parts, so I got 10 to the power 8. So I have to take up 8 zeros after 1007. So the answer becomes this. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next 5.375 into 10 to the power 14. Now you can do that. Yes, I am sure you can do that. When you remove the decimal, you are getting 10 to the power 3. So when the bases are same and they are in the division state, so the powers will be subtracted. So I got 10 to the power 11. So that means I have to put 11 zeros after the number. Yes, this is my usual number. Now 7.579 into 10 to the power minus 14. Okay, जब minus 14 आ गया, that means the decimal के बाद ये सारे zeros आएंगे. Okay, so I'm taking it to the denominator and I got to see, yeah, I have got 10 to the power 17. So there is no decimal. So I'll just count the numbers from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So this is my 17 numbers. Okay. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, beta, you have to express the following numbers appearing in the following statements in the standard form. आपको standard form में ही इसको represent करना है. So 1 micron is equal to 1 by 1,00,00,00 meters. अब ये क्या है बेटा? It is मतलब 1 micron is equal to 1 by 10 to the power 6. Okay, so it will become 10 to the power minus 6 meters. Now thickness of a piece of paper is 0.0016 centimeter. Okay, so we will say it is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 3. 1.6, how it came? The decimal jumped over 3 people. Yes, 0, 0 and 1. After that it is being placed. Okay, beta? Yes.
ma'am.
Okay. Next, diameter of a wire on a computer chip is 0.000003 meters. So, बेटा माइक्रोन जो है इट इज अ मेजरिंग यूनिट. हम इससे ना बहुत छोटी लेंथ को मेजर करते हैं बेटा. इट इज 10 टू द पावर माइनस 6. बहुत छोटी होती है ये. एटम्स वगैरह में यूज होता है बेटा. ठीक है.
बैक्टीरिया.
हाँ जी.
बैक्टीरिया की साइज को मेजर
यस,
करने के लिए.
बैक्टीरिया. वेरी गुड. बैक्टीरिया के साइजेस में भी मेजर होता है ये. वेरी गुड मनन. नैनोमीटर तो नैनोमीटर बल्कि होगा आपका एटम्स वगैरह के लिए. मोर बेटर इज योर बैक्टीरियाज. वेरी गुड मनन. ठीक है. अब देखो बेटा. So it is like it will become 3 into 10 to the power minus 6 meters because it is jumping 6 places. See, 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay बेटा, क्योंकि हमने इसको 3 के बाद प्लेस करना है. We can't place it over 3. Charge of an electron is ये लिखा हुआ है. You have to count the zeros, so they come out to be charge is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulombs. अब हम देख लेते हैं कैसे आया minus 19. So it turned out to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay बेटा. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So the shaded area is the jumps and a decimal would take. Okay, beta. Now the size of bacteria is 0.000005 meters. So it will be minus 7. So how it came? Dekho. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it is 5.0 into 10 to the power minus 7 meters. Yes? Okay. Now size of a plant cell is 0.00001275. So again, the decimal has to jump, has to move some distance. So it is moving. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So it will be 1.275 into 10 to the power minus 5 meters. So you can do this with your fingers also. So that way it becomes easier. Next, beta. Next is the distance from the earth to the sun is, आपको इसको standard form में convert करना है. Again, now we will start from the back. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meters. Yes? Great. Now the next question. The speed of light is 300000000. So again, we will see ki how many zero has to move in order to place a decimal. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it becomes 3.0 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. The mass of the earth is, we have been given such a big number. So we will start from the last and we will see how many zeros a decimal has to move that places. Okay, so we need to come over here. So we start 1, 2, 3, count with me, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, yes, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, yes, 22, 23, and 24. So it becomes 5.97 into 10 to the power 24 kgs. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you have to compare the following. The things are given to you. ये question में ना given है बेटा. The size of a plant and thickness of a piece of paper.
Okay.
So I have straight away written down the values. This is size of plant cell. Okay, beta. And this is your thickness of a piece of paper. Yes. Now we will reduce these terms in the standard form. Yes. Now here you can see I have written 10 to the power 2 also. वो मैंने इसलिए लिखा है क्योंकि अब आप रेशियो निकाल रहे हो तो दैट मीन्स यूनिट शुड बी द सेम. तो मीटर को सेंटीमीटर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए आई हैव converted meter into centimeter by multiplying it with 100. Okay? Yes? Clear hai beta?
Yes.
Now, the next is C. So now, as you have seen, ये वाला 10 और ये तो powers minus हो जाएंगी. But ये multiplication में है इसलिए ये add हो जाएंगी. So, carrying out the necessary steps, we got our value as 10 to the power 0. So that means it is 1. Now we will do our normal divisions and I got 51 by 160 as my answer. Yes? Here? Now, the next.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the size of a plant cell to diameter of a wire on a computer chip. This is the size of plant cell. And this is the diameter of the wire. Now you do this comparison and I am waiting for you. Okay? Yes, the answer will be 4.25. See? We are going to do it in the standard form. Then as the tens are the same, so powers will get subtracted. So minus 5 plus 1, that will come out to be 10 to the power 1. That means it will become 12.75 divided by 3. So clearly it gives us answer 4.25. Now the next. Thickness of a piece of paper to diameter of a wire on a computer chip. This again you have to do, just give it a try. 0.0016 meter, okay beta, over 0.000003 meters. Yes? Can you do that? Give it a try. See, we have reduced the given numbers to their standard forms. Okay, after that, taking up the same basis case and applying the required formula, we got 1.6 into 10 to the power 3 by 3. So approximately 5 into 10 to the power 2. So it is the approximate answer is 500. Yes?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So with this, we finish off our chapter. हमारा चैप्टर जो है एक्सपोनेंट्स एंड पावर्स का फिनिश हो गया है, बट हम नेक्स्ट क्लास में वी विल डू चेक योर प्रोग्रेस. ओके, ठीक है जी. सो सी यू